Welcome, fellow space adventurers, Star Wars fans, and art enthusiasts, to our 4th annual May the 4th Be With You collaboration. Join us as we thank and inspire a new generation of artists, thinkers, tinkerers, engineers, and maybe even a scientist or two. As we reflect back over past years, let it be a reminder of how the Force binds us together across galaxies, generations, and even collaborations. So get your lightsabers ready and let's embark on a journey through the heart of the Force. 23 remarkable YouTube creators, each channeling their unique connections to Star Wars universe. Some may have preceded me, and subsequently you will find more. If by chance you miss any, please find the links in my description below to each playlist. We have something for every fan, young and old, so please join us as we ignite our imaginations and celebrate the spirit of adventure that defines the Star Wars saga. May our shining stars guide your path, illuminating each of the way with wonder and inspiration. May your adventures be filled with creativity, joy, and discovery. May the Force be with you. May the 4th be with you. Let me begin my artistic piece of my journey today. Let me set the background for you.